Tired of your crypto gathering dust on Kraken, and ready to put it to work in the exciting world of DeFi with MetaMask? Alright, first things first. Let's head over to your Kraken account and log in once you're in. Navigate to the Withdraw section. You'll usually find this under the Funding tab or something similar Kraken likes to keep things moving. Now, choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer to MetaMask. Make absolutely sure this is a token supported by both Kraken and the network you intend to use with MetaMask. I'm going to transfer Ethereum in this video. Speaking of networks, over in MetaMask, double-check that you're on the correct network. The Ethereum mainnet is the most common for ETH. But if you're using a layer 2 like Arbitrum or Optimism for other tokens, select that instead. This is crucial. Now, copy your MetaMask wallet address. Click the account icon at the top of your wallet. That copies the address to your clipboard. Triple check that you are copying your public address and not your private key. Back on Kraken, paste that address into the withdrawal address field. This is the most important step. So please verify that the address in Kraken matches the address in your MetaMask wallet, character by character, especially the first few and last few characters. Any mistake here, and your crypto could be lost forever. Next, enter the amount of crypto you want to transfer. Keep in mind, Kraken will likely have a minimum withdrawal amount and withdrawal fees, so factor that in. Finally, review all the details one last time: the asset, the network, and most importantly, the address, and if everything looks good, confirm the withdrawal. Depending on network congestion, it can take a few minutes for the transaction to be confirmed. Once it is, you'll see your crypto safely in your MetaMask wallet, ready to be used in the amazing world of Web3.